In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data source in Looker Studio reports. This is a great skill to have when you've migrated to a new connector, updated a database, or simply want your existing visuals to pull from a different source without rebuilding your entire report. Start by opening your report and heading to the top menu. Click Resource. From the drop-down, choose Manage Added Data Sources. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Manage Added Data, but it's the same section. Here, you'll see a clear list of every data source currently connected to your report, including any connectors or files you've imported. Next, click Add a Data Source. You'll be prompted to pick the connector and authorize access if needed. Take a moment to confirm that the fields, dimensions, and metrics in the new source align with what your charts expect. Giving your data source a clear, recognizable name can save time later when you're switching visuals over. Once your new data source is added, return to your report canvas. Click on the specific visual or chart you want to update. On the right-hand side, in the data pane for that visual, click Add Data. From the list, select the new data source you just added. As soon as you do, Looker Studio will automatically rewire that visual to use the new source. In most cases, the chart will update immediately with the new data. If the visual doesn't refresh or shows an error, it's often because some fields don't exist in the new source or the data types don't match. For example, a date field may be recognized as text or a metric might be missing. To resolve this, check that the fields referenced in the chart are present in the new data source and that their types align. If needed, adjust the field mapping inside the chart or modify the data type in the data source so it matches what the visual expects. Repeat this process for any additional visuals you want to update. It's a good idea to glance at filters and controls tied to the original source, as they may also need to reference the new data source to behave consistently. And that's all there is to it. By adding the new data source and assigning it to your visuals through the data pane, you can quickly transition your report without rebuilding your charts from scratch.